Guests wonderful systems can be not ride. Each train car will accommodate 2 riders seated in groups of 2. Keys, glasses, hats, and backpacks must be left with a non-rider or in a locker located at the ride entrance. A ride attendant will assist you. No food or drinks are allowed beyond the ride attendant. Please verify that all guests participating on the roller coaster. Do not stand up or extend your arms above your head. Thank you and enjoy your ride. Each train car will accommodate
POV 10. Am I writing? Do front. I got one particular gesture. Seahawks tickets when they go to an away game.
Let's say if you got a SeaWorld Platinum Pass, it works at all the Busch Gardens.
Right.
Welcome back.
Yeah.
To release your lap bar, press down. It should pop up. Please exit to the right all the way out. Have a great day here.
Oh, that's right. They got the new thing.
Yeah, I know.
The
Welcome to the roller coaster.
The Gold was the ad.
Watch your
I thought about doing the Prestige.
It's like the Gold with the add-on.
Well, right.
It was amazing. All the mazes were walk-ons almost.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't know why, but it was empty that day.
I mean, I'm going on the weekend, so it won't be.
Yeah.
But that's good. Oh, I love it. Was that your first time?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it was really good.
I'm so excited. Like, ever since they started talking about the 50th anniversary and what they were doing, like, I was like, oh,
Yeah, well, like I think going to the house was like all the old previous mazes.
nice. Oh, so
They even brought back the Haney.
what's that?
They brought back the Haney.
I know.
Yes.
I was when they announced it, I was so happy. Because they stopped it like 5 years ago or something.
So the equal opportunity.
It was my favorite thing every year. So yeah, I'm so happy it's back. And I heard they roasted Disneyland for the Fantasmic. I'm so excited.
Yeah, they got the dragon. Okay, front's better. There's more air than front's way better.
Yeah, I enjoyed that. Yeah, I mean, it's the second and third little runs were a little.
Yeah.
But yeah, that was good.
There's some good pops of air on the front, definitely.
I'm very impressed by how smooth this one runs too.
Yeah, it's 100-something years old.
And I actually just went to Kennywood in August, and I rode Jackrabbit and Racer, and I was impressed by them too.
Yeah,
right?
they know how to maintain their woodies.
Yeah, seriously. But yeah, I love this ride.
Welcome back. To release your lap bar, press down. It should pop up. Please exit to the right and all the way out. Have a great day here at Lagoon. Welcome to the roller coaster. Please watch your step as you board the train. Please sit in an upright position. Rest your belt against the headrest. So you understand the security against glass. If you need assistance, please notify a station rider or in a locker located. While riding the roller coaster, please keep your eye attentive.